Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of the Kroger Co, a leading name in the retail grocery industry. We'll explore their second quarter 2024 earnings, discuss the highlights, and analyze what these results mean for investors. Stay tuned for valuable insights and investment prospects. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
The Kroger Co. reported its second quarter 2024 results, showing a 1.2% increase in identical sales without fuel and an operating profit of $815 million. Adjusted EPS was 93 cents, and the company achieved strong adjusted free cash flow. Digital sales grew by 11%, and Kroger increased total households, customer visits, and loyal households. The company reaffirmed its full-year guidance and updated its identical sales without fuel guidance to 0.75% to 1.75%.
Financial performance. What was the total revenue for the current quarter, and how does it compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
Total revenue for the current quarter was $33.9 billion, the same as the second quarter of 2023. Excluding fuel, sales increased by 1.3% compared to the same period last year.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP earnings per share (EPS), and how do they compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
GAAP EPS for the current quarter was 64 cents compared to a loss of 25 cents in the same period last year. Adjusted EPS was 93 cents, slightly down from 96 cents in the same period last year.
Operational efficiency. What were the GAAP and non-GAAP gross margins for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
The FIFO gross margin rate, excluding fuel, increased by 42 basis points compared to the same period last year.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
The operating, general, and administrative rate increased by 65 basis points, excluding fuel and adjustment items, compared to the same period last year.
Cash flow and financial health. What are the key points of the balance sheets?
Key points include total assets of $51.443 billion, total liabilities of $38.931 billion, and share owners' equity of $12.512 billion.
What are the key points of the cash flow statements?
Key points include net cash provided by operating activities of $3.464 billion, net cash used by investing activities of $1.905 billion, and net cash used by financing activities of $642 million.
What were the key points regarding cash flow from operating, investing, and financing activities?
Operating activities provided $3.464 billion in cash. Investing activities used $1.905 billion, primarily for property and equipment payments. Financing activities used $642 million, including payments on long-term debt and dividends.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
Major initiatives include the introduction of 223 new Our Brands items, a 17% increase in delivery sales, and the successful completion of a $10.5 billion debt offering to fund the proposed merger with Albertsons.
Risk and challenges. What are the key risks and challenges highlighted in the report or discussed by the management?
Key risks include the pending merger with Albertsons, labor negotiations, changes in the regulatory environment, and economic conditions such as inflation and interest rates.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
Kroger reaffirmed its full-year guidance with an adjusted FIFO operating profit of $4.6 to $4.8 billion and adjusted net earnings per diluted share of $4.30 to $4.50. Identical sales without fuel are expected to be in the range of 0.75% to 1.75%.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
Kroger demonstrated solid performance with strong guidance, increased digital sales, and effective strategic initiatives. The company is well-positioned for long-term sustainable growth, despite facing some risks and challenges.
That's all for today's analysis of the Kroger Co. second quarter 2024 performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think Kroger is a good investment right now. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.